Guys, look at how straight my hair is when I use the Dyson blow dryer. It's like I went to the salon and had my hair professionally straightened. I am fully natural. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for coming back. Those of you that have already subscribed, thank you. If you've not subscribed yet, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell so that you're notified every time I upload a new video. This week's video is going to be a review, unboxing of the Dyson Supersonic hair dryer. Now this one is a particular special brand that was purchased from QVC. It's a limited edition, so I kind of had to find it in certain stores. Dyson store itself does not have this particular color, and I really wanted this hot pink. As you guys already know, pink is my favorite color, so in order to get this pink I had to find different vendors that had the limited edition color. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna unbox this right on camera. I haven't opened this yet because I wanted to do it with you guys. Okay, we broke the seal and now we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna open it. I'm really excited because I wanted a blow dryer for a while. I'll show you guys the blow dryer that I'm currently using. It's a basic $30 blow dryer. So to go from a $30 blow dryer to this wonderful $500 blow dryer is definitely a big deal. Now when you open the box, there's a box inside of a box, so that doesn't include the shipping box that came with it as well. So 3 boxes for one blow dryer. They really did a great job with the packaging. So when you first open it, this is the brush that we see on the front of the box and the comb. I guess this is my detangler comb because most of you some of you don't know, but my hair is natural right now, so I definitely need a wide tooth comb. I also have a detangling brush, and I guess this is a nice bristle for blow drying. Let me come up close so you guys can actually see it if the camera would zoom in. No, not. There we go. See how the bristles are, just like when you go to the salon and you get like a Dominican blowout. That's how the bristles are. It's so nice. We'll set that aside and then we'll continue to open the rest of the box. So we're gonna go ahead, whoops, and take out the actual blow dryer. Okay, and set it down here. And then there's one more thing left inside our box. So the only thing left is this, I suppose, like some sort of a charger. So I'm gonna go ahead and actually no, it's empty. What is this? Oh, they had us. Okay, it's nothing. Let's make sure that we took out everything out of the box because I definitely don't want to be throwing away things. So I guess the charger would be in the bigger box. So we're gonna go ahead and put this box aside. I must say I really am impressed with the packaging. I mean, you know, if you buy a $500 blow dryer, then I'd expect that. Put that aside. And then I'm gonna go ahead and break the seal. This one has a seal as well, so we're gonna go ahead and break the seal off of that. This is not an Apple product, so I really don't expect them to make things easy open all around. It's all around all 4 sides. I definitely made sure they wrap this blow dryer up really good. And there we go. So I don't really like to apply a lot of heat to my hair most of the time, and the reason why is because I don't want to cause heat damage to my natural hair. So most of the time when I do apply heat, I will apply heat to like my units, or for my natural hair I will apply heat to it only like once a year. I'm really excited just to see what this looks like in person, because I have not seen it in person yet. And let's look inside what's in the box. Wow, this is a beauty. This is gorgeous. So when you open the box, the first thing you're gonna definitely see, let me fix the angles. Okay, so the first thing you're gonna see is gonna be this hello, welcome to our new hair dryer. Visit the Dyson Supersonic hair dryer owner's manual page to get acquainted and activate your warranty, which I wonder how long the warranty is for. And this is just a user guide, if the camera would focus. No, not today. Okay, so this is just a user guide. I usually don't read user guides. They're not that beneficial to me personally, so I usually just go on YouTube and watch how other people set up things and open items in order to use them. So we'll set that aside. And then it comes with a diffuser, which is really good for some of my curly girls out there if you want to set in some of your curls. I don't really do styles like wash and go, so maybe I might try it now that I own a diffuser. I don't know. And then you have two concentrator nozzles. So you have two. One has a wider mouth than the other, as you can see, so that's good. Now, before I made this purchase, the one thing that I noticed that I knew the kit didn't come with that got me upset was the comb attachment. Now, you know, when you're natural, you really need a blow dryer that comes with a comb attachment, and the fact that the main kit doesn't come with it, that's the only con that I really have so far about, you know, this kit in general. Because instead of having two concentrated nozzles, they could have made one of these a comb attachment just for some of us kinky hair girls like myself. And then when we look further, we have this mat, I guess for when the blow dryer gets hot. You can go ahead and set it on this mat, which looks like this. Let's put that down. And then we have the star of the show herself. So this is the Dyson blow dryer in all her beauty. I'm so excited about this, and comment down below if you guys want me to make a video on how I blow dry with this blow dryer. It's very lightweight, and I'm so happy that I purchased it. If you look in here, you can see that the airflow is gonna be definitely a good, nice airflow coming through. It has a power on button, and I'm gonna go ahead and plug it into the outlet so that we can all take a look at what's going on here. And I guess it comes with this piece right here. I don't know where it's gonna hook onto, but I'm sure I'm gonna watch a YouTube video about it. If not, if you guys know where this piece goes, just comment down below to let me know. I'm gonna go ahead and take out the charger part of the blow dryer. The only thing too that they could have definitely included in this kit, also is the like some sort of a case. They didn't include that, which kind of sucks, you know. So I'm gonna open up these cables, and I like this power right here in the charger. I really like that in the cord, because it tells me that this machine is really powerful. I've never had a blow dryer with this piece before, this adapter piece before. So I'm gonna go ahead and open this as well. Guys, I'm totally in love with this blow dryer, because I've wanted it for quite some time, but I didn't know if I should just bite the bullet and pay this much money for a blow dryer. So this is how the adapter looks like. This just has a Dyson, it has test, it has reset, and it has a warning to reduce the risk of electric shock. Do not remove, modify, or immerse this plug. Okay. So we're gonna go ahead and plug this in. And I'm probably gonna get some of these boxes out of the way. That's what I could use this mat for, is like if the comb attachments get really hot, I'm definitely going to go ahead and need that. So the other feature that I really like about this mat is the way it about the attachments, is the way it attaches to the blow dryer. It is definitely magnetic, and it goes like this, and then it detaches like that. So I thought it was so cool, just like that, and then pull it apart. So cool. And then you have the concentrator and the whole blow dryer there like that. So you just take your blow drying brush, you have your hair here, and then you keep your hair in between, and the concentrator gives you a smoother finish, you know, sort of that with this brush, sort of like the Dominican blowouts when you go to the beauty salon. So to turn it on, you have this nozzle right here. You flip it on and off, and that's how you turn it on. And it's not that loud, guys. If you listen carefully, it's not that loud. And then the blue button here, you can definitely push it just to get a cooler flow, and you turn it on. You can lower the speed of the fan because all 3 bars are lit up. And the same thing with the heat. All 3 bars for the heat are lit up. So if you want to go up or down on the heat, you just press this button right here. And if you want to go up or down on the sound of the fan, let's do it together. And the same with the heat. So the temperature is pretty good. It's a definitely a direct flow, and I like that. Guys, I'm so much in love with this. Because I kind of wanted something that is more professional looking, just to hold my it holds like magnet the attachment pieces. Probably on the other side would be better than this side. And I'm gonna go ahead and detach this and put this on my stand. I spent about 25 bucks on this stand off of Amazon. I feel that it definitely organizes my life a lot better in the bathroom, rather than having things all over the place. So I purchased this for about $25 to $30 off of Amazon, just so I can have a stand. The other good thing I noticed about this stand, guys, it's really good at holding my phone here for when I'm video chatting. So sometimes I used it for that until I opened, because the stand arrived before the blow dryer. So that's what I was using it for until the blow dryer came. But now that the blow dryer is here, I'm just gonna use it as a stand for my blow dryer and keep it in my bathroom. So the blow dryer itself is supposed to sit on this stand while you use it. It's supposed to sit on the stand just like this, so that when you're using it, you don't have to keep laying it down, which is annoying because you have to be sectioning out your hair to be blow drying it. And the last thing you need is also to have to deal with setting it down and picking it back up. So if it's on here, it's elevated, you could just grab on and then blow dry your hair and then put it right back on here like that. So that's another good reason why I went ahead and got the stand. Plus it holds the concentrator so that I don't lose these pieces, because I don't have a bag yet. But I might consider getting a bag just in case I travel, so that I can have something, you know, around when I travel. Also guys, this piece right here is supposed to be cleaned out regularly. It's the filter. Right now obviously it's not dirty, so I'm not gonna be able to, there's nothing to clean out. But you know, over time, then you know, you take this piece out like that, and then you clean this out right here, and then you lock it right back into place. So as a kinky hair girl, I definitely was upset, like I said, that Dyson didn't include this comb attachment, because this is the only thing that's really going to get my hair texture to be straight. Okay, so I definitely was disappointed that they sell this separately, and it cost me about $45 just to get this separately, and I could only get this off of the Dyson website. It doesn't come off from any of the third-party stores. So I went ahead and I ordered this as well. I have not opened this either. I was saving it for this video so that I can open it with you guys, and I'm gonna make a video on how I blow dry my hair with this. And I'll let you know if this thing actually is able to stay attached from some of the tough areas that in my scalp, that you know, it tends to take the other comb attachments out. I'll let you guys know about that as well. So just like the other attachments, you put it here like so, and it goes ahead and it clips in just like that. And this is probably going to be my go-to comb attachment compared to all the others. And you know, you just go ahead and you blow dry your hair like this. So I'm gonna make a video, if you guys want, of how I use this comb attachment to blow dry my hair, and then you just set it on there like that as you are blow drying. So that's pretty much it for this video. I wanted to do an unboxing video because I feel like it's been a while since I've done an unboxing video, especially since the MacBook Pro and MacBook Air unboxing videos. So I really waited just so I can unbox this on camera, and now I'm going to enjoy using my blow dryer. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.